Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
And this is Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Today, you'll learn simple English so you can talk about daily routines.
Yeah, the things we do every day. And why Jake's morning routine is, let's say, chaotic.
Really? Chaotic? I prefer the term creative.
Dude, you woke up at 9:15 yesterday.
And still made it to work by 9:30.
Oh, brother. You work from home.
Uh-huh. Still counts.
A daily routine is all the things you do every day, like waking up, getting dressed, going to work, and coming back home again.
And don't forget hitting the snooze button before you wake up. Even 3 or 4 times on a good day.
You really are a special kind of guy.
What? I enjoy my sleepy time.
Okay, let's talk about morning routines. A morning routine is everything you do after waking up, like washing your face, brushing your teeth, and getting ready for the day. I usually wake up around 6:30.
That's so early. Why would you do that to yourself?
Because I like having time to get ready. I make coffee, eat breakfast, take a shower, make the bed, choose a nice outfit, get dressed, and plan my day.
My morning routine is way easier. Every morning, after I finally wake up, I wash my face, brush my teeth, usually forget to grab my coffee, and get to my computer just in the nick of time.
That sounds about right.
What can I say? It works for me.
Lots of people get ready for work or school in the morning. They pack their bag, grab their keys, maybe take a snack with them, and then leave the house.
I still take a snack, even though I work from home.
Yesterday, you told me the only food you had was one cookie and nothing else in your whole apartment.
It was a big cookie.
Anyway, some people check their email, look at their schedule, or make a to-do list before they start working.
My to-do list is simple. Survive the day and try not to make my boss mad at me.
Very inspiring.
I do what I can.
After work, people usually relax, cook dinner, do the dishes, clean up, watch TV, or spend time with family.
Yep, my evening routine is sacred.
Sacred?
Yes, I sit on the couch, do absolutely nothing, and eventually go to bed.
That's not a sacred routine. That's more like the couch potato lifestyle. Stale and boring.
No, it's self-care, a time of meditation and reflection.
Okay, buddy, if you say so. Let's review some useful English phrases from today.
First, wake up, the moment you stop sleeping.
Second, get ready. Doing things like brushing your teeth, washing your face, and getting dressed.
Third, routine, the things you do regularly, usually every day.
Fourth, to-do list, a list of tasks you want to finish.
And fifth, relax, to rest and take it easy.
Now, Jake, this is just practice, so play along with me, okay?
Okay, gotcha.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Now, try this. I get ready for work.
I get ready for work.
And finally, in the evening, I relax on the couch.
In the evening, I relax on the couch. That one speaks to my soul.
Not surprising. Today, we talked about daily routines. Mornings, getting ready, going to work, winding down in the evenings, and going to bed.
And we learned useful phrases like wake up, get ready, routine, to-do list, relax, and fall asleep.
Nice job following along. Now, you can talk about your daily routine in clear, natural English.
And remember, hitting the snooze button is a lifestyle.
Please don't teach them that. Thanks for listening.
Keep practicing your English. You're getting better every time.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Unless I oversleep.
Oh, brother.